How to redeem Decathlon gift card. To redeem Decathlon gift card, what you have to do is to simply open your browser and type in Decathlon redeem gift card. You'll find the first link from Decathlon, so just go to Decathlon a gift card link. Now when we are here, we want to simply log into our account, so tap on your profile from the very top of the screen. And if you have an account, it's perfectly fine, but if not, you can go about restoring access to your respective account. So you can just enter your email address, tap on continue, and make sure to also type in your password. Once you've done that, you can add the products that you want to buy to your cart. And once you basically add them to your cart, now you can go to the checkout process. Once you go to the checkout process and you enter your location and everything that is available over there, you can also choose to add a gift card in this case. So if you scroll down under payment methods, you can basically add a gift card. So you can see all these different options, and once you enter your gift card, you'll be able to tap the pay now button. So you can say discount code or gift card, tap on apply button here. After you enter the gift card here, depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed to purchase this product over here. This way you can redeem a Decathlon gift card. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.